Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing Neosabers.com, a site offering premium lightsabers with wide deals like buy one get two free and up to 45% off for Star Wars fans. It looks like a deal, but it is real or not? Let's find out. Neosabers promises top-tier sabers with motion sensors, dueling durability and adjustable strap. They claim to ship from the US, offer mystery boxes, and throw in free gifts. Sounds awesome until you check the reviews. Buyers across Reddit and review site report missing orders, fake tracking numbers, and no customer support, even after spending $300 or more. Some finally got a saber, but it was worth the wrong item, broken or non-functional, and refunds forget it. The company reportedly ignored refund requests, even for defective products. On top of that, items usually ship from China, despite their claim of California-based shipping. Here is the bottom line. Neosabers.com may look polished, but behind the flashy deals, there are some red flags you need to consider. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more this type of content. Thank you.